What is yoga? People in the West think that yoga is a description of impossible physical poses. This is a false understanding of yoga. Yoga isn't about holding your breath or bending your body. It's a technique and a tool that will help you experience reality exactly as it is. Your idea, sense and experience of yourself are strong as you sit here. As an individual, you are here. You are here as an individual. But the trees exhale what they see right now. The trees inhale what you exhale. This means that one half of your lung is still in use. This applies to more than just breath. Modern physics has shown that a very subatomic particle within your body is constantly in transaction with all other parts of the existence. This transaction will stop, and you will cease being alive. Yoga is the ability to experience the union of existence and yoga. Modern science has shown that all of existence is one energy. Since ancient times, religions all over the globe have believed that God is everywhere. We are all talking about the same reality, regardless of whether you say God is everywhere or all things are one energy. This is because a scientist has never experienced it, he has made mathematical deductions to it. A religious person has not, but he believes it because he read it somewhere or heard it said by someone. You are a yogi if you refuse to accept deductions or belief systems. Yoga is when you feel the oneness of all existence as if you were able to touch the 5 fingers on your hands. Yoga is a way to break the cycle of life. All aspects of physicality within the universe are cyclical. The sun is always moving and planets go around it. Your life will be more cyclical if you are more closely connected to your physical system. The cycle of your life and experiences is cyclical. You will see that even the most difficult situations in your life are cyclical if you pay attention. You may feel like you're going somewhere if you keep going in circles. But you are actually going back the same way. You will definitely not allow it to go on forever and will be determined to change it. Now it's time to subscribe our channel for more video for yoga and meditation. Thank you.